So today we will to review something that viral a few moments. That something is very interesting and very delicious.
What is it?
The product is very interesting and the favorite our guys because the spicy food.
Ta-da! RICHEESE Factory.
Yup, the food we ordered in
GoFood. And now we wait the food for coming for me.
Not it's only him for us. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, we forgot to introduce our names. So my name is Nia.
My name is Dinda.
My name is Yudha.
My name is Adellia. Okay guys, stay tuned to our vlog to review RICHEESE Factory.
Wow.
Bye guys.
Hi guys, so our food has been arrived, and this is the food. Terima kasih Mas. Thank you Mas. Hati-hati. Okay guys, this is our food.
I have free
dog. Okay guys, so our food have been arrived and we will start to review.
Bye. So guys, today I will unboxing our order in the GoFood. This is RICHEESE Factory. Woo, we have apa Yudha?
Wait.
No. Yeah. Okay.
The first we have we have
2 pieces chicken sauce. No.
Cheese sauce.
This is free because we
is a friend Fanta.
and our beautiful sudah bongkeng.
Halal.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, we are one to open
3,
and 3, 2,
1. Oh, and then we have
4 cheese sauce. Yeah.
get. We have get bean. And then this is RICHEESE Factory.
Yeah. So what is it?
This is wings.
Yeah.
This is
Leg.
leg.
Yeah.
This is chicken.
chicken, spicy chicken.
Yeah. And then
rice.
we have a rice.
And so we will review RICHEESE Factory and love.
Come on. Eat. Yes.
Okay guys, so we're
Stay tuned.
gonna to eat this chicken and
We will wash our hand.
okay, we will wash our hands. Stay tuned.
Okay.
Yay! Our food has been delivered, and we got free 2 drinks. The color is red. Fanta.
Almost part.
Almost part. Confirm. And
Now
we're gonna open the cheese sauce. So we have 6 cheese sauce in here. In the normal, we get 4 cheese sauce, but we
want to have extra.
Yeah,
Extra
extra
cheese.
cheese sauce.
Yeah.
We have 2 extra.
We get 2.
So let's review the RICHEESE Factory.
Yeah, let's eat.
Yeah.
Keju aroma.
Gini apa? Jajak. The smell is so good. I love cheese so much. That's it, guys.
The cheesy sauce is creamy and little sweet.
And I love it.
Delicious. Wah.
Okay.
Saldo teh.
Ya tunjuk
Saldo teh.
foto dah.
So So before we eat, we are gonna to take a picture.
From the RICHEESE factory.
Yeah.
Post in medsos.
Yeah.
Post in our
We are
Instagram.
Gen Z.
Because we guys, we're going to review RICHEESE factory.
RICHEESE
The first Yudha,
chicken.
the sexier chicken.
I want to this.
Oh my god, the chickens are very juicy.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hot.
It's so spicy, guys.
Yeah.
I like kulit.
Skin.
What is kulit?
Skin.
Skin. Skin English. Kulit English skin.
In English.
In English, kulit is
Skin.
Skin. Yes. Go. Before. Wah.
Before we eat, we can fry.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yuk. Oh manugerah Allah tadi sendiri masalah Tuhan memberkati makanan ini.
Bismillah, haleluya.
Itu aku udah doa tadi awal.
This is skin.
Jangan.
Iya.
It's very juicy.
I'm
I'm sorry, little gonggong because I have to. Tulang. Tulang bener ada.
Coba. Aku giniin Ki jadi. Sorry.
Ya. I want to eat with rice.
Is it spicy? Is it spicy?
Too much?
Too much spicy. It's recommended to you who like a spicy
Yes.
food.
Like me.
But I prefer original.
If you don't like spicy, you can order in original.
Because the spicy is very, very spicy.
But
Cheese.
Cheese is
campur keju sih.
combination.
Kombinasi with cheese, hotnya
Sweet and spicy.
The hot
the
is
hot is
not too much.
okay.
Not too much.
Because
Kamu boleh nggak makan nasi?
first eat for
You guys.
Yeah. Yes, this is a time by kun V2.
With rice. We eat with rice.
Because we
And cheese.
Indonesian people.
Because we in Indonesian people eat all food with rice. It the first time I eat this food,
This is rice.
and I love this food.
Rice.
In my opinion, it's not too much spicy.
My
Because I love
my
spicy.
muka kelihatan.
Your face?
My face.
I love rice.
I think it's spicy for me, but isn't spicy for the two of my friends who love spicy food.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it spicy or no?
This is very very spicy. I am not. I'm not strong. But satu bulan sekali.
Ya, ini ya.
1 month. No problem. But
We have dada.
Apa
Like
tadi?
brace.
Kulit
The
apa aja?
first bone.
Skincare.
Chicken
Bukan ya?
bone.
Skincare is
this is
coklat.
Bone.
bone. Keju for this
Cheese.
delicious. Cheese for delicious.
I love braised chicken.
You want a rice?
I like a dada.
Chest.
Chest.
Dada is chest.
I like chest.
Chicken breast.
I like all chest.
No, that his name is chicken chest in chicken chest.
Yeah.
Udah aku swear. So guys,
So, apa kita mau Thailand?
this is
Time
our
is-
I think I'm already full, but this so delicious. So I eat again.
daki
Apa time live?
Daki, Chinese.
baru mau. Last bone.
It's the less.
How do you give rating? For me, this is 9
None of
Nine.
them.
9 of 10. But I don't like spicy.
For me, that's 8 because it's too spicy for me, and I prefer original one.
In my rate is 9 because I love spicy. But the chicken too much. Not too much spicy.
Another?
My rate is
11?
Slowly.
8 because the chicken not spicy and not spicy.
You not spicy?
Not
And then-
spicy.
You not spicy?
I like spicy, but this chicken is not spicy.
It is first time me for
Try it.
try it
Riches.
Riches Factory.
Same as me. It is my first time. But I love it.
But-
I love this cheese sauce. I love it so much.
10 for 10. Or
But sauce is creamy and
Little sweet.
yeah.
Not for me. I love every food with cheese.
delicious.
I
I love produk lokal.
local product.
Local product. Yes.
I love cheese, but when cheese is sweet, I don't like.
Okay.
Okay,
What?
that's all for us. Wait, I recommended this food for you guys who like spicy. But if you don't like spicy and you want to try this food, you can buy original one. And then we forgot to review these drinks, but I think it's same as Fanta. We are already full right now, and thank you for watching, guys, and
See you next time.
see you next time
To our vlog
to
again.
another vlog.
Yes.
Bye. Bye. I think we already sleep right now. Bye.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba do.